Men vadå? Du fick redan en.
Hey Jack, do you like ice cream?
Du?
Do you like cake?
Yeah.
Do you like cake?
Like cake?
Oh, good. Well, this is Grandma.
Definitely a big improvement on his first birthday.
What
Oh,
happened?
He was scared of the cake.
Because it had candles, or just because it was a cake?
I don't know, because he didn't know what it was. And here we are, we're like putting it in front of him and we're singing and we're doing these things and we're like, come on, go ahead, mess up the cake. Do whatever you want. And he's like, what? And he wanted nothing to do with it.
He wouldn't touch it.
He
Nothing.
wouldn't touch it. He was terrified of it. It was hilarious.
That was like, oh my goodness.
That and his first Santa visit, that was funny.
Yeah.
Oh, so sweet.
All right.
Cake.
Boing cake.
Is he saying boring
boing,
cake?
boing, cake.
Boing.
Boing,
Boing.
okay.
Eat the cake.
You're supposed to eat it, Jack.